Hey, Shalini.
Hi, Abim.
Uh,
You're just calling.
yeah, man, I'm in Black River town now.
Are you in the town? Alright, here's what you do. Just come, because I don't think you know how to get there. Just come down to the... What are you seeing around you? Because I don't think you know the area. What are you seeing around you?
I'm on Exchange Drive. That's near Lovers Lane.
Wow, and you're in the town?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, so I'm near to Black River High School.
Okay. So you're coming from that direction. Okay, so you're coming... So here's what you do. Come down to Black River High. You haven't passed Black River High, right?
Yeah, I think I passed it just now.
What side was it on? It was on your left or your right hand side?
Wow. I think
I
it
don't
was.
want to know which direction you're going.
Oh, I was coming from Treasure.
Treasure Beach, right?
Yeah.
So you pass Black River on your left hand side?
I think
You
so.
came around a corner?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. I believe that.
Alright, so you're coming up to the hospital. So you haven't passed the hospital, okay?
Alright, hospital. Let me see. I have Google Maps, you know.
Good. So where are you? You shouldn't have passed the hospital. If you said that the last thing, so what you seen around you now? You said that you were seeing Exchange Drive?
I'm on Exchange Drive now. It's a residential area.
I don't know. I don't remember seeing hospital. You don't remember seeing the hospital. You never know the hospital.
No, I don't remember seeing the hospital.
Alright, when you pass Black River High, did you turn after passing Black River High? Did you turn left?
No. I think I made a right turn.
Right turn.
Alright, like what's the name of the place, the lane you live on?
No, I'm at work now, you know. I'm
Okay.
still at work.
Okay.
But I was trying to tell you to come to the hospital. I think
Oh.
your Google Maps can get you to the hospital, and then I'll direct you from there. So I'll carry you there.
Okay.
But people can get you to the hospital.
Yeah, man. I can reach the hospital.
Alright, good. So when you come to the hospital,
Yeah.
you just come and let me know when you're... I don't have to make you come all the way down. Come, just keep to your left. Keep to your left. When you come to the hospital, there's a roundabout. Just keep to your left and then tell me when you're here, please. Here?
Okay, no problem.
And I'll come and direct you.
Okay.
Alright.
Head south on Exchange Drive toward Hibiscus Close.